Hi everybody. This just came in from Marcia on AliExpress. It was about $25, and I'm probably going to call this a review slash advisory, just because a couple quality issues. Now for $25, not a bad deal. I've grown to really like this laser etching. It's the same on both sides in this case. It's I don't know if that's what they're describing in the title, the Tang grass, if this is Tang grass. Looks a little bit more like ferns to me, but it's a light laser etching, and it makes for a really good grip. Now, my two main issues with this are the magnet strength and the balls that it came with. Now, normally you'd either expect stainless steel balls or Teflon or ceramic, but I think for the first time I have encountered ordinary plastic. Because I've never seen anything quite behave like these. This one in particular is filthy. They don't run in there very smoothly. I'll bet if I looked closely enough on these, I'll bet I could find a parting line, right from when it came out of the mold. I don't know, but they're not great. They will work, for $25. It does work. But I'll tell you, it's more likely to jump the track with these bad balls in than it is with some good ceramic balls in, or any alternative. They're 4mm balls. So let's address that here quickly. We'll get rid of these, and we'll put in these ceramic balls. Now, I happen to have a lot of these around. Not a lot. I don't have enough to give away, unfortunately. But a few sliders that I've bought came with an excessive number of extra pieces. Now this is going to make a world of difference. Whoops. Still got to be careful. Those magnets are just not as strong as I'd like them to be. But for $25, if you want a nice metal, weighty, feels nice in the hand, you really need to replace those balls though. I think that's a must. Then you get a nice clicker out of it. Now, the unfortunate thing too, if you watch my channel at all, is I like these ball clickers, but one of the things I like to do especially is to get rid of the balls and use it as a free-floating slider. So that means all these magnets have to be mounted below the surface of the plate so that they don't interfere with each other. On your cheaper sliders, you'll find that's often a problem. This one's good. There's no interference with the magnets. They're all down in deep enough. But these pieces are stainless steel, and they're just so heavy, and these magnets are just too tiny and too weak. Now, if you just like a free-floating slider and don't want to do any tricks, then this ain't bad. But if you want to try to do laddering, you'd better be very delicate about it. This will do it, but it's not snappy, and it's very likely to fall right off the end. You see what I'm saying? So I will almost definitely, this will be one of the rare ones that I carry exclusively with the balls in. So with all that in mind, again, $25. You should replace the balls. I like the engraving. It's the same on both sides. There is, I don't think I mentioned yet, there is a version of this in brass. I avoid brass soft metals because they dent easily. But it has a samurai engraved on one side and then a different samurai on the other side. But it was a little too strange for me. This wasn't bad. I was okay with this. And it turns out I really like this etching. It just gives it such a nice grip. So with these minor improvements made to it, I think it's quite nice. Other than that, beware of those balls and beware of the light magnet strength. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer in the comments as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye. I forgot one thing, and that would be to give you some measurements and a weight. So 45, 25, 11, and about 86 grams. That's it. Last time. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.